A library is a curated collection of sources of information and similar resources, made accessible to a defined community for reference or borrowing. It provides physical or digital access to material, and may be a physical location or a virtual space, or both. A library's collection can include printed materials and other physical resources in many formats, such as DVDs, as well as access to information, music or other content held on bibliographic databases. A library, which may vary widely in size, may be organized for use and maintained by a public body such as a government, an institution, a corporation, or a private individual. In addition to providing materials, libraries also provide the services of librarians who are experts at finding and organizing information and at interpreting information needs, navigating and analyzing very large amounts of information with a variety of resources. Library buildings often provide quiet areas for studying, as well as common areas for group study and collaboration, and may provide public facilities for access to their electronic resources and the Internet. The library's clientele and therefore the services offered vary depending on its type. Users of a public library have different needs from those of a special library. For example, libraries may also be community hubs, where programs are delivered and people engage in lifelong learning. Modern libraries extend their services beyond the physical walls of a building by providing material accessible by electronic means, including from home via the Internet. The services the library offers are variously described as library services, information services, or the combination library and information services, although different institutions and sources define such terminology differently. The history of libraries began with the first efforts to organize collections of documents. The first libraries consisted of archives of the earliest form of writing, the clay tablets in cuneiform script discovered in Sumer, some dating back to 2600 BC. Private or personal libraries made up of written books appeared in classical Greece in the 5th century BC. In the 6th century, at the very close of the classical period, the great libraries of the Mediterranean world remained those of Constantinople and Alexandria. The libraries of Timbuktu were also established around this time and attracted scholars from all over the world. The term library is based on the Latin liber for book or document, contained in Latin libraria, originally meaning book container, while Latin bibliotheca, see French bibliothèque or German Bibliothek. Libraries may provide physical or digital access to material, and may be a physical location or a virtual space, or both. A library's collection can include books, periodicals, newspapers, manuscripts, films, maps, prints, documents, microfilm, CDs, cassettes, videotapes, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, e-books, audiobooks, databases, table games, video games and other formats. Libraries range widely in size. Up to millions of items. Libraries often provide quiet areas for studying, and they also often offer common areas to facilitate group study and collaboration. Libraries often provide public facilities for access to their electronic resources and the Internet. Public and institutional collections and services may be intended for use by people who choose not to, or cannot afford to, purchase an extensive collection themselves, who need material no individual can reasonably be expected to have, or who require professional assistance with their research. Services offered by a library are variously described as library services, information services, or the combination library and information services, although different institutions and sources define such terminology differently. Organizations or departments are often called by one of these names. Libraries are usually staffed by a combination of professionally trained librarians, paraprofessional staff sometimes called library technicians, and support staff. Some topics related to the education of librarians and allied staff include accessibility of the collection, acquisition of materials, arrangement and finding tools, the book trade, the influence of the physical properties of the different writing materials, language distribution, role in education, rates of literacy, budgets, staffing, Libraries for specially targeted audiences. Architectural merit. Patterns of usage. The role of libraries in a nation's cultural heritage. And the role of government, church or private sponsorship. Since the 1960s, issues of computerization and digitization have arisen. Many institutions make a distinction between a circulating or lending library, where materials are expected and intended to be loaned to patrons, institutions, or other libraries, and a reference library where material is not lent out. Traveling libraries, such as the early horseback libraries of eastern Kentucky and